A hammer is a handheld tool used for striking an object. It can be used with a punch to create an indentation on material for layout work. A punch is a hardened metal hand tool used with the hammer to create an indentation on material for layout work. A drill chuck key is a tool only used for tightening the jaws of a drill chuck, either used on a drill press or tailstock of a lathe. A tailstock wrench is used to tighten the tailstock on a lathe for drilling operations. A center drill is used before a drill to center the cutting angle and provide a cleaner, more accurate cut. A lathe chuck key is used to tighten the jaws of the lathe chuck. It's important to never leave the key in the chuck. A tap is used to cut threads in a corresponding sized hole. The tap handle holds the tap in place. The hex key wrench is used to tighten the socket head cap screw in place to hold the two pieces of the artifact together. Calipers are used to accurately measure objects. An end mill is used in the mill to cut an object. Parallels are used in the vise to keep an object off the vise bottom and make sure it is sitting flat. A turning tool is used to face or turn an object on a lathe. A drill index is a metal box that stores all of the faction, letter, and number drills. Diecom remover is a spray can used to clean off the diecom layout die after the machining operations are complete. Diecom layout die is used to coat a surface to clearly show layout markings. Tap magic is a lubricant used in drilling and tapping operations. A counter bore is used after a drill to create a flat bottom for a bolt or screw to sit. The drill chart is used to find what drill size you need for a certain tap. The decimal equivalent chart is used to find the equivalent decimal size of metric, number, or letter drills. Calipers are used to measure the inside, outside, and depth of an object. The jaws must remain flat and completely contact the surface of the object you need to measure. Look at the large number first, A. This will indicate the number of inches in the measurement. Then look at the smaller number besides the sliding jaw, B. This indicates the hundreds measurement. Last, look at the dial to find the tenth of thousandths decimal place measurement. The height gauge can be used similar to calipers. It's used for measuring and layout work. Using the back handle, turn until the tip of the height gauge is just contacting the granite block. The dial and top number counter should be 0. If it is not, turn the dial face until it's set on 0. The number counters can be set to 0 by pushing the black buttons to the right of them.